How to send a gift card to someone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send a gift card to someone. So let's say you want to give someone a gift card and you don't know how to give it to them. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create a gift card and give it to someone whom you want. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser and then simply type in giftly.com. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Giftly where you'll have to simply tap on the option buy a gift. Now you will be taken to this page where you can customize this gift or the gift card which you want to send it to someone. So first of all, select a pattern. So it may be any one of these 10 different patterns. So for now, let me simply choose this one right over here. Now once you've done that, you can specify what you want to be on your gift card. So by default it is set to $100 for anything at any place. So if you want to specify, let's say you want to give them $100 gift card for a bottle of wine at a specific place or a cafe, you can do that, but for now we'll simply leave it as $100 for bottle of wine at any place. Now you can also change the amount. Let's say I want to give a $50 gift card to this person. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, you will be taken to this page where first of all you'll have to enter your contact information. So simply enter your email address over here and then tick on both of these boxes at once. Now tap on the option save and continue. After that, it will basically provide you 4 different delivery methods. So you can either send this gift card to them via mail, you can send this gift card as a text, you can send this gift card as a printout, and you can also send the physical gift card to their address. Now remember, this will become a little bit expensive as you'll have to mail them a physical card which will require both to print the card and as well as the shipping fee. So the most convenient way is simply the email method as you don't have to pay for shipping and a physical card as well. Now simply enter the recipient's email address over here and also select a delivery date. So for now, I'll simply choose 10th of April. Now tap on the option save and continue. Now you will be able to choose a greeting card. So let me simply change card design, and if you want you can also add a custom photo card, but for now let us simply skip this process and then choose a design which is already with them. Now let's say you are sending them this gift card because it's their birthday, so you can simply choose this one and then tap on the option use this design. Now if you want you can add details such as from, to, message, etc. So for now I'll simply write your dearest friend, and in your message I'll simply type in. Now I'll tap on the option save and continue, and as you can see the gift card will become this sort of thing. Now we'll have to scroll down and you'll have to enter your payment details. Now you can either choose pay with GPay or you can choose pay with your card. Now if you choose pay with your card, you'll have to enter your name on your card, your card number, the expiration date, and finally the security code or the CVC. After that, you can see the order summary over here. So the gift amount we were planning to send was $50. The processing fee is $5 and the greeting card fee is $1. So a total of $56. And if you are sending a $100 gift card, this amount will add up to 107 USD. So once you've entered your card details and tap on the option place order, on your preferred date, this gift card will be delivered to the person whom you are trying to send this gift card. So that is basically how you send a gift card to someone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.